We're getting covered in schnozberry. Uh-oh.
What a violent schnozberry world we live in. Wow!
Where did that come from?
Look at schnozberry, like started on us.
Schnozberries.
It came from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. The schnozberries taste like schnozberry.
Hey, don't play copyrighted music while I'm making a video for YouTube, bro. Come on, man. You know that, bro.
I did not know.
We're gonna get copyright strike because of you. You suck.
I'm missing the schnozberry.
Oh no! 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 Wait! No way! Ah!
Wow! We just wiped off the schnozberries. The schnozberry eliminator's working! Give it all! I'm giving it all it's got!
Are they gone? Ah!
Whoa! Better turn those off. Why the schnozberries right though?
What the heck is that? What the heck is that?
Oh no!
Wait, no. Oh, it's going back. Yay, we're not gonna die. Oh, they stopped. Why did you stop it, man?
Oh, we get a nice little rinse. Get the schnozberries off. All right. Now they're gonna rinse us with milk.
Milk? Milk?
Mm-hmm. Watch.
You need to drink more milk.
Oh, milk.
You didn't come home with the milk, man.
Here comes the milk. Oh, you got leche, mommy, leche. Mommy,
You didn't come back with the milk.
mommy.
You forgot the milk.
You got leche, mommy, leche.
You forgot the milk.
I never went to the market.
You never went to Stater Brothers?
Oh, we did that day, and we brought milk.
But it wasn't the right now. It wasn't the right milk. I was looking for chicken sandwich milk.
Milk.
Chicken sandwich barbecue milk. Ugh.